The head-up display shows the dashboard and other navigation details on the windshield to help the driver check information without turning their eyes away from the road. Adjust the height and rotation angle of the head-up display through the Display Control tab. The head-up display shows the driving route based on the driving direction, as well as information about the road, vehicle speed, set speed, SCC vehicle-to-vehicle distance, lane following assist, lane safety, blind spot safety, highway auto speed change, highway driving assist, and surrounding vehicles. The EV6 comes with augmented reality mode. Adjust the head-up display in vehicle, head-up display, augmented reality mode. Augmented reality mode displays the driving route, lane safety, front vehicle indicator, leading vehicle departure alert, highway lane change assist control and information in augmented reality. Please enjoy a safe and comfortable drive with Kia's head-up display.
Kia, movement that inspires.